Hello there, Catamount biochemists. Hey, I just wanted to take a moment to congratulate you on finishing your degrees. It's really a big accomplishment, and you deserve a lot of credit. Now, this is certainly not an easy major to get through, and I hope that you have found your time here both stimulating and interesting, and that you've had a great time overall. I'll keep this message pretty short. I just wanted to leave one piece of advice, and that is to please stay in touch. Stay in touch with your friends that you've met here at UVM. Hopefully they'll be lifelong connections for you. Keep in touch with your classmates who are also hopefully your friends. But even those that you don't know that well, it's worthwhile to keep in touch with, because you never know when you'll be in a position to help them, or maybe they'll be in a position to help you. And then keep in touch with the faculty on campus here. We love hearing from our former students. It's just a joy and a pleasure to hear all the great stories of the things that you've all been doing. So definitely take that to heart, please. I'm sorry that we're not able to celebrate you in person. This is a terrible situation, of course, but we are hopefully going to be able to in the near future, and we'll look forward to that day soon. So with that, I'll give you one final hearty congratulations. Please keep in touch, and hopefully we will all see you again soon. Take care, everyone.